Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about levofloxacin, an antibiotic that's frequently used. If you're interested in knowing how and when to take it, this video is perfect for you. Levofloxacin is used to treat various infections caused by bacteria. It's effective in fighting infections in the lungs, urinary tract, and skin, among others. Let's say you have pneumonia or a severe urinary tract infection. Your doctor might prescribe levofloxacin. And how does it work? Levofloxacin blocks an enzyme that bacteria need to copy their DNA. By doing this, it prevents bacteria from multiplying and helps your body eliminate the infection. Regarding the dosage, it's extremely important to follow your doctor's instructions very carefully. Normally, it's taken once a day, with or without food. The initial dose and the maintenance dose that they prescribe may vary depending on the severity of the infection and your overall health. Don't forget to finish the entire treatment, even if you feel better sooner. Now, let's talk about side effects. Some of the most common ones are nausea, diarrhea, and headaches. But pay attention to more serious symptoms such as tendon pain or vision problems. If you notice anything unusual, contact your doctor as soon as possible. Remember that levofloxacin can interact with other medications you are taking, so tell your doctor about everything you are prescribed. To sum it up, levofloxacin is a powerful and effective antibiotic when taken correct. Always follow your doctor's instructions and be aware of possible side effects. Take care and see you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.